Hi, this is Siba Mtongana. I hail from the gorgeous Cape Town in South Africa. Welcome to Let's Cook That Book. Today, we're cooking from my cookbook, Welcome to My Table, and we're doing my Rooibos Summer Blush. Now, Rooibos is an African tea, very popular in South Africa. It's a tea that we drink all the time. Really good for kids because it's caffeine-free, and without sugar or even without honey, you can give it to the kids to drink for days. It is best to make the tea in a heat-proof container or a teapot so that it does not break. All right, now I've made my tea earlier on and it's cooled down completely, which is necessary if you're going to make an iced tea. I'm going to cut my lemon into tiny little wedges, just like that. I like to cut my lemon into different shapes to create some interest. All right, now Rooibos tea, it is native to South Africa and you cannot call it Rooibos unless if it is made in the Western Cape in South Africa. All right, I'm going to add my lemon slices in my glasses, just like that. I'm going to add the wedges. The lemon gives such a beautiful tangy flavor, but it also gives such a beautiful contrast. Look at the slices and look at the wedges, creating something beautiful already. All right, to go with that, I've got some strawberries that I also cut into wedges. You will notice that I keep the green part because it helps to make the color pop a lot more. Next, I've got some pomegranate seed, a few leaves of some mint for flavor, some ice, nice ice blocks. You can have it finely crushed if you like. And then my tea. Oh, it looks lovely. There we go. Nicely cooled down. The ice is going to cool it down even further. And I finish it off with the cherry on top. Look, nicely peated. And it sits right on top, and it's nice to keep the stem. Just makes it look a lot nicer. All right, that's it. My Rooibos Fruity Summer Blush done in a flash. This is Miss Siba Mtongana. It has been a great pleasure to be with you today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.